We have this problem that we always have and always might have, that you have this need of the future, but you also have the need of the folks walking in the door sick right now. And we always take the short-term approach and we got to treat you, and we forget about the future. And then this problem of treating the people today never goes away. Our foundation is going to help us look to the future, so we don't need to have so many folks walking through the door. And that's what one of our goals of our foundation is.
We're doing something really incredible here. I'm so completely honored to be part of the Healthy Alaska Natives Foundation because I know it's going to change people's lives.
I'm Andrea Gusty, and I'm from Aniak on the Kuskokwim River. Now, I wouldn't trade growing up there for anything in the world. Village life is special and it's wonderful. But at the same time, families in rural Alaska face unique challenges, especially when it comes to health care. Alaska Natives face unprecedented rates of cancer, obesity, and diabetes, and a suicide rate 3 times the national average. Some communities still lack the basics, such as running water or flush toilets. Access to healthcare facilities may be many hours or a few plane rides away. But these are problems with solutions, and that's what the Healthy Alaska Natives Foundation is all about. We've made significant progress, but there's so much more to do. The need is great, the situation alarming. To this end, the foundation is focusing on 5 initiatives that will bring dramatic improvement to the Alaska Native community. From improvements in cancer care, clean drinking water and sanitation, to assisted living services for elders, disease prevention and wellness, to education scholarship programs for our children, the Healthy Alaska Natives Foundation will lead the way. Cancer is the leading cause of death among Alaska Natives. It touches all of us.
He was diagnosed with cancer. It was, a horrible blow. I mean, it was just, of course, it's how, anybody reacts to it. I mean, we were in just shock.
Bob had an ability to go out there and use his insurance other places, and he chose to stay here because he believed that this system, this institution, was here for a greater purpose, and that if he didn't show up and use it, then who's going to, and I feel the same way. I have cancer, prostate cancer, and I chose to stay here.
He just had a great attitude, and I mean, you could tell when he was in pain, but he would do his best to hide it. And well, he fought right up until the very end too. There's nothing was going to keep him down. And he's an amazing guy. And to think that the cancer center we have is so small for such a large problem, it's really a credit to the staff there, the amazing job they do with what they have.
The chemo, the oncology facilities are teeny. You're in, you got your little reception desk, you've got your little hallway, which serves as the waiting room. You've got 2 little exam rooms, and then you've got the chemo room, which has 6 chairs in it with people just sitting around together getting their chemo. And Bob was immediately recognizing that we got to do something about this.
Finally, we got a MRI. Obviously, there was a tumor, and because the doctor said, well, how bad is it? And he said, it's really bad. Then I told him, I said, hey, we're going to get through this the best we can, and I think it's going to happen. It's going to be good. But I think it would be even better if we have a cancer center like that, because it's pretty lonely. I had the luxury of having my family and everything. Some people don't. If you don't have hope, you lay there and then pretty soon you just die. I'll have a lot of things to do with my boy and family and all that. And nice thing is it's happened.
The Cancer Care Improvement Initiative seeks to make a state-of-the-art cancer center a reality at the Alaska Native Medical Center. It will provide cancer screening, advanced care, and emotional support to patients and their families. Village life is at the heart of Alaska Native culture. The Healthy Village Environments Initiative will help provide core services like clean drinking water and sanitation to remote communities. It is crucial that we increase the self-reliance of these villages by working with them to develop and maintain essential services. After all, when a village is healthy, so are its people. Respect for our elders. It's central to the Alaska Native way of life. How we care for our elders is a reflection of our overall well-being as a people. The Elder Healthcare Initiative will allow our elders to be cared for closer to home. Home health care, chronic disease management, assisted living, and hospice care will fill a growing need in rural Alaska. This initiative is a collaborative effort with our partner tribal health organizations, and it will touch lives in a good way all across Alaska. The Healthy Alaska Natives Foundation knows a big part of health is wellness and prevention.
That means healthy lifestyles.
That means staying off cigarettes.
Even though they're all around us.
That means staying in shape.
That means looking out for friends.
Sometimes it's not that easy to see
how special we are.
We are.
We are the living, breathing beauty of our Alaska Native community.
The Wellness and Prevention Initiative promotes healthy lifestyles, avoiding tobacco, staying in shape, avoiding injuries, and obtaining needed behavioral health care. Contributing to this initiative will be an investment in keeping future generations healthy through education, program development, and preventative health care. The future wellness of our communities also depends on the professional development of our youth, so that health systems can be staffed with people who understand village life. For thousands of years, it's been our tradition to take care of one another. The Profession Scholarship Fund forwards this vision.
My daughter wants to be so many things when she grows up. Yesterday she wanted to be a pilot. Today she wants to be a nurse.
I want to be an engineer. I want to be a doctor.
This initiative will fund scholarships for Alaska Native youth enrolled in medicine, dentistry, and other healthcare professions. By working together as one, we can bring health and vitality to Alaska Natives no matter where they choose to live.
Alaskans have such big hearts. We take care of each other. It is in this spirit of giving and care that Healthy Alaska Natives Foundation moves forward. We need your support. After all, we're all in this together.